It's so cold outside, and I think it's the first snow of Witzenhausen. And today I am going with all of you to make Gola Ganda ice cones, and I will bring snow from outside here, then we will make it together. I don't know who made this, but it's wonderful. Little bit scary, but it's good. Let's go to explore Witzenhausen during snow. I'm always become little crazy during snow. Okay, so I have my container. I don't know whose car is this. I'm just collecting snow. I'm collecting snow for ice cone. Gola Ganda. We call it Gola Ganda, so it should be Gola Ganda. And I don't think so it's dirty because in Pakistan we are immune. Not to eat dirty, just to eat. Okay, let's go. We'll collect some from somewhere else. It's this much. It's ours. We make it. And now bunny snowman, Schneeman. So I thought I should collect some more ice. Okay, so I've got snow or ice now. I'm going to make Gola Ganda from this. Hi guys, so I'm back. And I've got a lot of snow. Now I will make Gola Ganda and then I will show you how it looks like. So I'll be right back. For snow cones Gola Ganda, I am using cardamom and orange syrup, winter punch, condensed milk and coconut. Okay, so my Gola Ganda is ready. I have put orange juice, I have put elaichi syrup. I have put milk mirchan, which is condensed milk, and some Kinder Punch, and with coconut. And I will enjoy this, and I'm for sure enjoy this. Wait. This reminds me Thora ji ka Gola Ganda from Pakistan. I'm enjoying my snow cone. Hope you like my city tour. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your views in a comment section below and like and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travels. Stay tuned for more recipes. Bye.